Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Qantas Advantage Inc. has successfully closed its initial public offering IPO, which was oversubscribed. The offer successfully raised 2.4 billion Jamaican dollars, representing an oversubscription of 900 million, approximately 60% above the 1.5 billion the company was seeking to raise. The transaction is the largest initial public equity offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in 6 years. Proceeds from the IPO will be used to expand Qantas Advantage's investment portfolio, increase its capacity to pursue credit and cash flow-based investment opportunities, strengthen liquidity, and support the company's growing pipeline of investments across the Caribbean region. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has announced that 20,000 hotel rooms are slated to be added to the country's stock. The tourism minister revealed as well that other airlines are already showing interest in filling the slot left vacant by budget airline Spirit. Bartlett noted, and I quote, "In fact, the potential is great, and Jamaica stands on the cusp of an engagement that could bring us at least between 3 to 4 million visitors annually, more than we have now." Last month, Spirit Airlines shut down its operations, citing rising jet fuel prices due to the war in the Middle East. Bartlett said he will be talking to other interested airlines shortly, and I quote, "We go to New York next week and we're having extensive discussions with a number of our airline partners to secure the future of airlift for Jamaica. I'm not calling the names of the airlines, but one of them that I'm going to see in New York has already stepped in. And so we will not hurt as a result. We would have lost some 40,000 seats, but we're all taken up, so we are good." For the trading period of June 3, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 11,850,789 units, representing 39.91% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,910,049 units, representing 13.17% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited with 2,816,566 units, representing 9.48% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in education, distribution, and solar energy plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 3, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.24 and buying at $159.11. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.96 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $116.18 and was bought for $109.22. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of 72 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.17 and was bought for $212.45. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, and overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, too many small business owners wait until cash flow tightens before speaking to lenders. That is often the most expensive time to seek financing. Small business growth is rarely funded through luck. It is usually funded through preparation, relationships, and credibility. The next 90 days could become a turning point. Instead of waiting for a financial emergency, entrepreneurs can proactively build a funding ecosystem that supports expansion, resilience, and long-term success. Capital flows more easily towards businesses that are visible, prepared, and financially organized. The question is not whether funding exists. The better question is, how prepared is your business to attract it? For our funded and focused feature, for many entrepreneurs, the focus is understandably on sales. Revenue keeps the business alive, but sustainable growth requires more than consistent cash flow. It requires access to capital. Low interest rates are rarely negotiated through persuasion alone. They are earned through risk reduction. Lenders price money based on confidence and security. Entrepreneurs can position themselves for better borrowing terms by building strong business credit, demonstrating stable cash flow, maintaining clean financial statements, offering collateral or asset security, reducing debt exposure, improving governance and compliance, and showing diversified revenue streams, strong banking relationships. Simply put, the lower the perceived risk, the lower the cost of capital. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.